TDD means exploring. The debugger is good at helping poke around. Let's use the debugger during testing. Imagine we added a line in our primary guardian test. The tests now fail. Imagine, though, you're confused about the error. You'd like to explore. You could add a print statement. The test runs, but the print doesn't display because Pytest captures the output. You could then fix that, but still, you might accidentally commit such poking around. Let's use the debugger instead. Set a breakpoint and run the tests, but this time under the debugger. Execution is stopped on the questionable line. Player under 1 has an empty list of guardians. Perhaps we still don't quite grok it and want to interactively poke. Select some code and evaluate it to see the result. You can type new expressions, even assign new values to variables, or create new ones. We're stopped in our test code, but not our real code. Let's step into that and poke around some more. Highlighting code and evaluating expression, and we quickly spot the problem.